Hey gang, welcome to the channel. My name is Andy. You join me on a Sunday morning. It's beautiful, it's early, the sun's out, and we are on what I believe is one of the best roads in Australia, the Reefton Spur. I'm chasing my friend Al in his 981 Cayman. I'm in my 964. Why don't you come along for a drive? Woo, bumpy. Sweeper after sweeper after sweeper. Like, this is driving nirvana. This is actually where I think air-cooled cars are at their absolute best, on tight little roads like this where the nimbleness, the agility really comes into the fore. The other thing I love about a road like Reefton Spur is it's technically challenging, particularly in a car like this, because yes, you get the benefit of how nimble an air-cooled car is, but your footwork has to be really good. I've had more practice heel and toe and rev matching on this road than just about anywhere else in my state, I think. So nice to chase Al in his Cayman. A Cayman, it's a 981. He's just got the stance absolutely perfect, and he's recently done an exhaust swap, and the thing sounds incredible. You won't be able to hear it on the camera, of course, but I've been chasing him with my window down for the last couple of minutes, and just the sound of it crackling and popping and howling has just been amazing. Woo, bumpy. Really bumpy. This is what it's all about, a Sunday morning in the hills with friends, driving an incredible road in an incredible car. Oh man, seriously, how lucky am I to get to do this? Listen to that. Right at the top of the rev range in second, you hear exhaust, 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 and then there is a sudden moment where you suddenly hear intake. It's just like whoosh. honestly can't take the smile off my face right now. I'm looking at Al's car, the way it sticks to the road, how good this section of road is, just sweeper after sweeper after sweeper. Like, this is driving nirvana, and we can come here pretty much every Sunday morning. This is an hour and a half out of downtown Melbourne. Unbelievable, unbelievable. So, the one great thing about driving a road like Reefton Spur is you drive up it and then you drive it in reverse. Now, I don't know if you guys find this, but for me, driving a road in the opposite direction, it may as well be in a different state. It is a completely different experience, completely different. I'm following Mark in his 997 Gen 1 GT3, and I gotta say, I'm in love. I am absolutely in love. Hook, line, sinker. If you've ever heard me on the Curb and Canyon podcast talking with my good mate James McGrath, we always both agree that the dream car, the absolute must-have, is a 991 Gen 2 GT3. Mark's 997 GT3 just looks perfection on the road. Does it look great? He's had an exhaust done on it. I think it's a Sharkwerks. Mark, sorry if I got that wrong. So it sounds unbelievable. And yeah, what an incredible treat following this car down this road. What a morning. Sundays. Wow. What a morning. What an incredible morning. Thanks for coming along on the drive, gang. It's such a pleasure to have you along. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video. It helps me get seen on YouTube. I'd love it if you did that for me. And please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the content I'm dropping. Anyway, I'm going to pull over. We're going to go get a pie for breakfast, because why not have a meat pie for breakfast? And I'll see you on the next one.